Hi, I'm Roger Stevens. I'm the Sony European Product Marketing Manager for Sonaps. Sonaps is the network production system solution from Sony, which is designed primarily for news, sport, magazine production. Today we'll look at a very brief overview of Sonaps in action, its screens, its workflow, and some of the things that can be done. Sonaps workflow can cover everything from planning and ingest through content production, Playout distribution to the web, to mobile, and also with archive systems as well. It integrates with newsroom systems in a news production environment, and can also integrate fully with graphics systems and with third-party archives and other content management systems. For ingest, we can have router or matrix control. We have preview and recording control, scheduling, and also the ability to ingest or import files from XDCAM, from XDCAM EX, and from P2 media. Sonaps also has a file-based gateway, and clips coming from news agencies, from bureaus, from other regions and other sites can also be automatically ingested together with its metadata. So all metadata, markers, history, and some custom fields are all available for use within the system. After ingest, then we need to move to content production, and traditionally that would mean editing. And this can be done either in low resolution, proxy editor, or in high resolution with a craft editor. In Sonaps, it is the same application. It's about how the configuration is made, whether you are working with proxy or whether you are working with high resolution. But even in proxy resolution, we have full editing features in terms of subtitling, graphics, and effects to do, for example, face disguise in a news environment, or highlight packaging perhaps for a sports environment or press conference or parliament. Integration with newsroom allows us to see the script, allows us to do voiceover, effects and graphics. For sports or parliament or press conference or this type of application, then Sonaps also has a logging application where metadata can be automatically and seamlessly added to the clip as the recording is made live. Also today we're seeing more and more user-generated content being used, and Sonaps has a user-generated content application for mobile phone, which can contribute either from the public or from journalists, whoever has the application, directly into the system and go live on air. The editing configuration is fully flexible and can be set up based on a group, let's say, of journalists. It could be very simplistic with just a storyboard and a preview, or can be set up to do full craft editing application with timeline, source viewer, monitor, and master viewer. For Playout, the Playout application, normally under control from the newsroom system, shows the playlist of all of the video events. It is showing the script because of the integration again with the newsroom system. We could take manual control, we can have automatic control, or it indeed can be under the control of an automation system. And finally, Sonaps also supports archiving, either to a nearline archive, whereby the proxy and the metadata is kept online, usable, searchable, browsable, or in fact to a third-party archive or disk or robotic library. In summary, Sonaps is in use worldwide with some major broadcasters, providing streamlined, efficient workflow, content production, and the management of content production for web, for mobile, for news, sport and magazine